We're back with our commute time data. So I've removed minutes and the plus and minus sign here, so we're ready to go. Also sorted these by commute time. We can also come here. Now they're alphabetical. Let's start here. So what we want to do is create a chart that shows the mean time plus the margin of error bars on it. To do that, I'm going to select these two, hit Shift Command down arrow to highlight everything. And then I'm going to go Insert, Chart, and Line Chart. So this gives me a line chart, which doesn't make sense, right? These values should not be connected by a line. So let's fix this. I just double clicked on it to get this formatting bar over here. The line's controlled here by what says line. I can change the color, right, to red or something. But I'm actually going to get rid of the line. Go to marker, that's the actual dots themselves. Marker options, and it says none. I'm going to change that to a shape. The default is this little square, and I'm going to change it to a long dash. All right, so now I've got a dash for the mean commute time for each day. Awesome. I also wanted to add the error bars. So to do that, I'm going to come up here to Add Chart Element, Error Bars, then More Error Bar Options. It gives me this, and it makes error bars appear here, but these are all wrong. So we can come over here and see that it's a fixed value of 0.0 or 5.0. I don't want that. I want it to be a custom value. I'm going to specify the value. So now I have a dialog box. I'm going to click here and just scroll to the bottom of my data. So that's my plus values, and repeat that same process for my minus values. And we're done. It's very hard to see because this is a small chart. You can zoom in a little bit, kind of start to see this. Now, this is also difficult to read because it's done alphabetically. An alphabetical order makes sense sometimes, but in this case, it's not very useful. So let's click on this and go to sort. So now they're sorted lowest to highest. And I'm also going to zoom in. This is not something that I normally do. I don't like mixing with zooms in things because it can be misleading. But in this case, I wanted to zoom in so we can see these spans because the margins of error are pretty small here. All right, so I have now done this. I'm going to add a title here. This is the mean commute time. It's okay, so there we go. We have created a chart. We've put the error bars on it. That's all you need to do.